Nemo! Nemo! Where are you, son?
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Time for more explorers, it's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry, just keep your eyes open for him along the way. Oh,
I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. Oh, no.
It's Nemo.
Where?
I don't know. Jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Dory, stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish.
Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a beautiful little bite! Whoa! Check out the mini Marlin! Whoa! Aha! Okay, little dudes! Get ready to rock!
Not too far.